Good morning. Last class we see about the three steps to involving the solid is based on inclined HP. In this class we see about the solid based on the inclined VP. So I have to take the two cases here. That is a solid based on cone and solid based on cylinder. Okay. So the both the cases will be the shape will be there in only the circle. Okay. So, but in this position, the solid can be placed if it is resting on HP or assume as it is standing on VP. Sorry, resting on VP is assume as is standing on vertical plane. So those case we have to involve in these types of problems. Okay. So while placing the circle will be there in a front view. Okay. So then what is the top view of the solid? That is like a look like a triangle. Okay. The triangle will be drawn in the front top view of the given solid. That is the front view of the circle will be there in above the XY line on the top view of the triangular shape will be there in a below the x-y. Okay, so that they mention the height value. After when what is the value mention the height, you have to consider triangle. Okay, after that the axis getting inclined. Okay, you have to incline with a certain angle. There is a 30-degree or 45-degree. Mention your problem. According to that, you have to consider the triangle is a tilted. Okay, is a particular angle. So after that, you have to construct the vertical line from the above. That is a front view, and draw the horizontal line from the front view. That is a front view of the circle. Okay. So while constructing or while joining all the points, you're getting the cone shape of the view. Okay. So then we have to move for the second diagram. This is a solid based on a cylinder. So here also the solid can be placed on resting on VP and assume that this is standing on VP. So those case we already involved, the circle will be you have to draw. That is a diameter value is given. You have to convert into radius value. That is you have to point the mark and draw the circle. After that, you have to maintain the certain space between the front view and the left side. Okay, that is called as a reference line. So after considering the reference line, you have to draw the rectangular diagram box that will be mentioned in your problem. That is called as a problem based on prism. Okay, they mention the height value. What is the value mentioned? You have to consider rectangular. Why? Because the cylinder type is a front view is always look like a rectangle. In a cone type is always look like a triangle. These are the major difference. Okay, while solving the prism types of problem and pyramid types of problems. Okay, let's move on the next step. That is called as a the axis inclined. Okay, the axis inclined to a particular angle. That is value mentioned in your problem. That is a 30-degree or 45-degree or 60-degree. So after constructing the axis, according to the axis tiltation, the orientation of the solid of the top view get also changed. That is a mentioned in your problem. Okay, after constructing this one, that is the third step. That is a tilted top view. Okay. So after constructing the tilted top view, you have to draw the horizontal line from the each corner of the solids. Okay. So and also you draw the vertical line from the each corner of the solid. That is a tilted top view. And also draw the horizontal line from the front view of the solid. Okay. So we are considering all the point getting joined together. You getting the solid can be or tilted is a particular orientation. That is a basic method to solve for these two types of category. So last previous class we is discussing the three steps in solid in incline to HP. And in this case we are already discussing the incline to BP. So let's move on the basic what is it called as that is the conditions we have to draw that. Okay, what are the conditions will be that? So those concepts you have to understand if you are solving the numerical problem, it's a very easy for solving the numerical problem. It's based on the inclined HP. So I have to mention here there is a projection of solid in a different positions. Okay, so if the solid may be placed on the HP, there is a horizontal line in the various positions. How to construct? Okay, I have a simple representation for understanding purpose only. I have to told in the previous lecture series. Okay, so, but here I have to show the different conditions will be there. How to identify or what are the data I have taken from the numeric problem. So those data I have to important. So I have mentioned the previous lecture series. There is a steps we have to discuss. First step, second person, that is simple position, second step, and third step. So from the data gathering, okay, you have to draw the category of types of problem. It's like a look like a standing on HP or standing on VP. Okay. So the similar you have to construct these types of category. There is a three types of that. in a way of axis of the solid is held with respect to HP or VP or both. Okay. So I have to mention the three different colors like perpendicular to HP or VP and parallel to either HP or VP and inclined to others. And also, what is the third case here? There is an incline to both HP and VP. So mention, I have my repeat here, there is a perpendicular to HP or VP, parallel to either HP or VP and inclined to some other. Okay. If I take as a HP is a parallel means it's inclined to VP. If like let's take as a parallel to VP means it's inclined to HP. That is a vice versa will be changing. That is inclined to both HP and VP. We're not discussing about inclined to both VP and HP is a quite complicated. The above two cases will be we are discussing in the next classes we will be discussing with the numerical problems.